process of action potential traveling down through nerves to the synaptic cleft where it joins in with muscles, creating what turns into muscle movement. We'll be demonstrating it over here with beads and crafting materials.
Action potential pushes down towards the synaptic knob, and calcium channels open up, releasing calcium to move inside the cell. Calcium, represented by the yellow beads, pushes down acetylcholine in its vesicle towards the synaptic knob. Acetylcholine has now been released through the synaptic cleft through exocytosis and is attached to the receptors on the motor end plate. The acetylcholine receptors attaching causes the sodium-potassium gates channels to open up. With the increase of ions inside the cell causes an action potential on sarcolemma. As action potential travels down into the T tubules and stimulates the release of calcium from the terminal cisternae of the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is represented by the black netting. Calcium begins to bind to troponin, pulling tropomyosin off the active sites on the actin. The high-energy myosin head binds to the exposed active site, forming a cross bridge. Then the myosin head falls down to the low-energy state, releasing ADP. With ADP being released, it causes the thin and thick filaments to move over each other. ATP then binds to the myosin head, causing a break from active sites on actin. Myosin head becomes energized as ATP is converted to ADP. Calcium is pumped right back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum and attaches to calsequestrin, allowing tropomyosin to cover the active site and relax the muscle.
Between the thick and thin filaments, we will go back to the sarcoplasm contents. This area is the myofibril. The yellow pipe cleaners represent the cisternae of the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The white pipe cleaner represents the transverse tubule and the opening to the transverse tubule. The fishnet is representing the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The salmon-colored paper represents the sarcolemma, and the green fuzzies represent the mitochondria.
Beneath the sarcoplasm, we have the H zone, the Z disc, the I band, the A band, the I band, and the M line.